The first Ides of Bark was in 2015 as a way to bring really dog owners and dogs who could cavort and play and roll in the mud and sniff each other, but also mostly just bring folks together who have a passion for animals.
It's a wonderful opportunity for us to engage with the community and celebrate our shared passion for animals.
What brings us here is she likes to communicate with all the dogs, go out and have cool dog events.
Whenever I can get him out to an event, I like to do that. I like to see what's in the community. I like to see what the community offers. So I thought this would be a good event to bring him out to.
People love this event, and you didn't get a chance to come this year, then come on back next year. We'll be in March. The Ides of Bark is a play on words, as you might know, and it was started really to create some of the fun and some of the frivolity that should be part of an event like this. So come on out and have fun with us.